Power stack. Shutting off. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt DCF850 versus the 860. Don't forget to hop out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. Alright guys, so this is what you guys been asking for. A lot of you been commenting about this brand new impact driver versus videos with other tools. Well, this is the 850. That's what everybody pretty much has now these days. They sell this at the Home Depot, and it is actually one of the smallest, shortest compared to this. But then again, they're claiming this has the most torque. Do several different tests. We're gonna do some speed test, and then we're gonna do some power test. I know a lot of you are gonna be commenting down below, oh, you use different batteries. No, we're gonna be using a 5 amp hour battery. I will be switching this battery to both tools. The other one is just to hold it there. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the 850, and then I'm gonna go move on from there. So on the right hand corner, we do have the 850. This is an impact driver. This is an atomic. This does have DCF850, 1/4 inch impact driver, coreless, 0 to 3800 IPM, 0 to 1000, 0 to 2800, and 0 to 3250 RPM per minute. So very, very fast. Try LED on the front. Quick insert collet, 3 speeds. And that's pretty much it. Brushless tool. On the left hand corner, we do have the brand new DCF860. This is an XR. This is a DeWalt XR impact driver. 1/4 inch 3-speed high torque impact driver. So this is, they're calling this the most powerful the highest torque impact driver out in its class. So that's what they're calling it. We're gonna see about that. Got 0 to 4500 IPM, 0 to 1800, 0 to 2500, 0 to 3800 RPM. 3-speed, plus you do have a light mode. You can turn it on and off. It'll stay on for like 20 minutes, which I like that. It's about time they did something like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and start. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and start with the right hand side, and then we're gonna move on forward. We're gonna be using this battery. This is a 5 amp hour battery. This is a stacked lithium power stack. Alright, we're gonna start on with this screw. It's just a small screw. See what it does. Alright, pretty fast. Alright, battery. This is the same battery as the other one. Speed 3. One, two, three, go. Quarter inch drill bit. One, two, three, go. One more time. One, two, three, go. Alright, same battery. This is the only battery that I have that's a 5. This is the XR. Drilling a hole right next to the other one. One, two, three, go. Again. One, two, three, go. So that should have tested the speed on both of these drills. see which one is faster. Now we're gonna move on to the power tests. All right, we got a screw. This is gonna be a longer screw, especially for this board. Should get all the way to the end. So this is a 4-inch screw, 850. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. A 3/4 inch impact rated socket. And we do have 4-inch lag, 4 by 1/2 inch lag. This thing's big. You're not supposed to be driving lags this big with those impact drivers. Should just go right across. One, two, three, go. Shutting off. It's not overheating. Yeah, I think that's all it has. So we'll just take it out. Alright. DCF860. One, two, three, go. Go. There you go. Now guys, after this test, do you think we got a new king? Do you think this is better? Or is it gonna dethrone the Milwaukee impact driver? That is one heck of an impact driver, guys. That's crazy. No doubt. I already know the results of this test. Alright, so let's take this off, see how fast it is, and we'll go from there. Let us know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.